So I want to show you how you can actually follow up with your past customers who have made wish lists, but perhaps they have not cashed those in. So I went to my account. I'm going to go to the wish lists here, and we have consultant created and customer created. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to actually click on consultant created. This is Sarah's wish list. And then to find the link that she can share or that you can share with her and say, hey, I noticed that you had some books in your wish list, in your cart. What do you think about taking a look at those right now? Update the wish list. And down here, you will find the link to share that with her. It's fantastic. So you can go back to your account and follow up, again, going to wish lists, and follow up with every single one that you have. So here I have like 11 pages of wish lists that I can follow up with, which is super great. I'm providing a service to them. They may have forgotten that they wanted these, and I can definitely send out a quick message to them, letting them know that they have things in their cart. So I hope this helps you in your follow-up and in your customer service. Have a great day.